guys, so we are in Ichigo Yuzawa right now, and in this station there's actually a place where you can taste sake out of vending machines.
For 500 yen you get 5 cups. We heard about it on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, abroad in Japan.
Cool channel,
Yeah.
really cool channel.
As soon as I saw the video, I was like, I know where this place is. We're going there.
Yeah.
So the thing is, though, I drove today. So today, you're
I'm gonna
try.
sacrifice myself today. You do it tomorrow?
Yes. So I'm going to Tokyo. So he's going to Tokyo tonight. I'm going to Tokyo tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come back.
So I say, I go, try it out,
Time to go?
and we'll show you how it works.
Okay, let's go.
You can also get a cucumber for 100 yen. And salt tasting. In case you want to do that.
Which one should I take, friend?
Don't know.
It's,
Oh my god. There's so many of them.
summer special.
Summer special. Okay.
Summer special. La classification.
Make that cup. Make it that cup.
This?
Yeah. Press it.
Oh, yeah. And the 10 Come on. Not bad. That's good.
For each one, you got the sake meter value, acidity, alcohol, and if it's in stock or not. I don't know what the sake meter value though is. I'm gonna have to look that up. Last one.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah. We're in the plum wine section. It's still good.
Wine section.
Plum wine.
Oh, plum wine.
Yep.
Oh,
Messy bar. It's good.
The plum wine. All right. So, how was it?
Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. A bit overwhelming because there's so many choices, but a lot of them are nice. There's not only sake, but there's plum wine. There's all different types of choices. So it's really a must see if you're waiting for your Shinkansen and you don't know what to do. You have to stop here for sure.
All right. Well, I'll come back tomorrow morning.
Better. I shouldn't go myself for nothing.
Hello. So it's the next morning. We are in Tokyo Station,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
so yesterday I said I was gonna go to Ichigo Yuzawa in Niigata and have sake
And
at 9 in the morning.
and
I actually I accidentally turned off my alarm when I wanted to snooze. So I got up late.
all right.
I had to drive instead of taking the train, and I got there like last
Drive
minute to the station.
Sour?
Yeah. So I had to drive,
Yeah.
find parking, park my car, and then like when I got into the station, there was 8 minutes left. So I was like, I gotta
smell
go.
BS. I smell BS. You just wanted me to drink by myself.
So you know, now yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't do it.